My name is Amechi Lawrence. I'm auto mechanic working at opposite business soccer. I'm about to work brake system. What we are calling this is brake landing. Right now, how to open this is the way. If you are not, first of all, we now come on it, the thing will shake, then you do adjustment. Then we start to lose it. This one is the former one, and this is the new one. Because this thing has it. Now that we're about to change this new one now, first of all, I will remove this thing. This is the spring, how to remove it. So it's not actually easy because it is that is in now scattered. So I will start afresh, just remove all of them and change the system of the brake shoe. How to change it, and you see it, I'm removing it now. So all these things function at one thing. The one thing I'm talking about is brake, is the handbrake and matching brake. Where when you put hydraulic at master, the thing will function come to this part. This brake landing, this one now is still remains small, but the other one has finished. Maybe the thing as for that side is now action. Maybe that side is done more than this. But the two now work together. If you work one and main one, now just look at it. So you see this one now is new one. So I'm about to fix it now. So as we are looking at it now, as you work brake, if I'm fixing it now, you draw the handbrake. This is cable of the handbrake. You draw the handbrake. When this thing opens, the handbrake will hold. The thing will close like this. The handbrake will open. That means that you put it back and raise it up. As about the brake system, this one is the way kits there, where hydraulic is flowing. When you pump the brake, this place will open. Just press, just like that. But that's what I mean by brake.